Hey Marco, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for requesting your video today. As you can see, we are on your Facebook page. Um, your website is currently down, so I'm not able to take you there and show you that. Excuse me. But we are on your website. It looks like the last time anything was posted was in September of 2021. So this in itself is not a big help. You're not keeping yourself in front of your audience and attracting more customers to get those organic leads. Now, your social media is important. It's a very powerful citation that will actually help you in your maps, but you have to have it optimized. You need to have full descriptions utilizing your buyer intent location based keywords. You need to have this fully filled out, and you need to be posting regularly every week, couple times a week, to get any benefit out of this. Um, Now, if we go over into the maps, and I've tried a variety of different keywords in the Dallas area, and you're not showing up in the top three. To be in the top three of the map pack, you need to have more citations than your top competitor. Um, and you need to have good 5-star reviews. What a citation is, it's the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website, and having those listed in a variety of places like Facebook, Yelp, Yellow Page City, LinkedIn, etc. And you need to have a lot more of those than your top competitor. So this is a very competitive spot, and 30% of people won't go any further. So if you're not here, you're already giving those leads to your competition. So this is a really important aspect of you getting those organic leads. But part of this also has to do with how your website performs. And since your website is down, that's a huge problem because the other 70% of people don't look for the service on Facebook. They're putting in specific search terms, and they need to find your website to bring you to those. Um, Here is your Google Maps. I do see that you have one, so that's good. You just need to get this optimized, get more of those citations so that you can be in the top three for your service areas and those keywords. Now, looking at organics, um, Dalworth Restoration is your top competitor in Dallas area. And that's because of how their website is performing. So they have a nice looking website. They have a ton of pages for all of their different services, which are very critical to be able to target those location based buyer intent keywords. Um, and they have some content. They don't have enough content though. So the rule of thumb is that you should have approximately 1,500 words, which is 150 words for every keyword you're trying to target. Um, and you need to have more than your top competitors. Your buyer intent keywords are the key local based keywords that the customers are actually going to be searching for to find your service. You guys are at an advantage because this isn't a luxury item. Emergencies happen all the time, and they need people 24 hours a day. So they need to be able to find somebody, get to you quickly, and make that call. So in order to be found, you need to have a good content and keyword strategy. You also need to have location pages for each of the locations that you're trying to target. Um, so that you can be found in those locations. This is a program we use called Ahrefs. It helps us to analyze how a website is performing. And as you can see, this competitor has a 39 domain rating, which is fairly decent. And that is because of their backlinks and referring domains. A referring domain is a website that refers to your website, but a backlink is a link that links directly to your website. So the two go hand in hand together, but not all backlinks are created equal. Google likes backlinks because it's like a popularity contest. So the more relevant those backlinks are and the higher their rating, the more they're going to help boost you in your rankings. And it's also important that they are do follows and not no follows. No follows will help a little bit, but the do follows will actually share these high powered sites and share that power with your website to help you rank. And these backlinks are closely tied to those keywords. Buyer intent keywords that are location based are similar to this water damage company Frisco, but relevant to your specific services. So, asbestos or whatever services that you guys are performing. But you can see there's tons and tons of search volume, and these guys are number one for all of that. So, if you want to be able to compete with them, you need to have more and higher quality backlinks than your top competitors. You need to go after those content and those buyer intent keywords. So you're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? Well, you can either take this information I've given you and apply it yourself, which is completely okay because it's free education. I just ask that you go ahead and give me some feedback and let me know what you thought of this video. Because if you apply everything that I've shown you today, you can become number one across Google for all of your pages and keywords and service areas. However, if you decide that you would like help getting some of this stuff done, you just don't have the time to worry about it and take care of it yourself, go ahead and give us a call at the number on your screen and we can chat, or reply to my email and we can chat and set up a time. So, thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.